There, this is Jack with another Tip Tuesday. So head over to reimastermind.net for any corresponding links from this episode. Well, how many times have you heard the statement, get the property under contract and the money will follow, or something in that vein? Well, I'm going to go on a bit of a rant here in the fact that I really think that's some bad advice. And I see this being said on Twitter and Facebook and from real estate investing gurus all the time. And I really have to advise that it's as important to establish your network as it is to find that first property. What's going to happen is that you're going to push and struggle and try to get that first property under contract. And that first property is always going to be the hardest. There's no question about that. But when you do finally strike and you finally get that property under contract, there is now an Herculean task of finding a partner, finding the money, or somehow wholesaling it to another investor. You need to establish that network as vigorously as you are hunting for that property. So my task to you this week is to get out there, join your local real estate investing group, get on Twitter, Facebook, wherever the other investors might be. Bigger Pockets. Join me on my Twitter network on REI_mastermind. There's quite a few people that are active out there right now. You need to establish that network so that when you are ready and you do have a property to sell or partner on, you don't reek of desperation, because as soon as you have that desperation, because as soon as you have that smell of desperation, it becomes even harder for you to find that exit. Well, I know it's a short rant, but that's where I'm at. And again, head over to reimastermind.net for my past episodes. I've had some amazing guests with some actionable items you definitely got to check out. So we'll see you next time.